I'm thankful for today, I rise and shine. With gratitude, this life is mine.
Hi guys, how you doing? I don't even have my mic on or anything. My last two videos about my camera, I felt like they were bad. Like I did not give myself time to talk about how wonderful this camera was. I mean, I've never used one before. I was so excited to get one. I had no idea what I was doing when I unboxed it. So I was just touching everything, bringing everything out. I didn't know what I was doing. So I wanted to show you guys everything right now. Here it is. Here it is. I have a habit of putting this around my wrist now, that way I don't drop it. And let's turn her on. There she is. There she is. She's pretty. All right, let's turn her off. So it comes in a very nice case. Nice and small, portable. You can throw it in your bag and easy to move around. And let me show you everything that's in the case. The camera comes in there. There's a little tripod. It's about 4 inches long. Yeah, 4. And comes with a battery. Let me set this down. It comes with the battery. At first, when I did the unboxing, I thought this was a battery as well, but no. The bigger one is a battery, and this one is just, well, I call it an extra tripod or like an extra stand, meaning technically I cannot put this on the tripod. All right, here's the bottom of the camera, here's the bottom of the tripod without this. So I connect this, then I can now connect the tripod to this. That makes sense. So this is just, I'm gonna press this. So that's the way it looks right now. And one more thing, oh, it comes with a mic because it's a creator combo. And it's pretty. I just wanted to show you guys this quickly. Comes with a mic and a noise cancellation. Trying to take it apart. Oh, there we go. See? So when I first unboxed it, it just came like this. I was too excited during that unboxing. I just not take my time to show you guys. So I have used it for a few weeks. I've been enjoying it so much. I feel like I now have the time to show you everything and tell you what it does. So that's why. One more thing, I showed you that. And so the mic, I just showed you the mic. It has a little clip here, so I can clip it to my shirt. See? However, if you're wearing something that is, I mean, you're wearing a t-shirt and you don't want to put it all the way up there, you can use this like a little magnet. It's so strong, so strong. Look at it. This is how it looks. And I'll show you. Listen to this. It's really hard. It's so hard. So you don't have to worry about it dropping. So I can put this on my shirt, and this goes inside, so it kind of snaps and it just stays like this. As you mean, you don't want to. You're wearing a t-shirt and it's all the way up here. So it's really cool. Really good. This comes in there. There's one more thing that comes in the pack. One more thing. Let me show you. I haven't used it yet, but I'll show you. Oh, those last two videos I did, I felt like I disrespected the camera. Like I did not take my time to show you guys. I was too excited. It was such a wonderful gift, and there we go. So it goes, it's a wider lens. and it has a little magnet around it. You just snap. There we go. You see that? So the magnet is on this side. I put it right here, and I can get a wider frame when I'm recording. I haven't used it yet because this tripod is great. I just mount my camera and I'm just fine. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the whole thing. Here's the lens. Here's the battery. And it charges really fast. Here's the mic. The little piece I say you need to mount. Oh, there's a tripod. Missing a piece. There it is. Right here. So without this, you can't mount it. So you need this piece. It looks like an extra battery. I thought it was a battery at first. And a Type-C to Type-C cable. Right here. And that's it. And the little piece sticks to your mic. Right here. Oh, this is really, really strong. It comes in the bag. And a little carrier for your camera. So you will put this in your purse. You can just put this way, like this. And you can put this in your purse. And when you're out and you're using it, you can turn it around. Right? You can put it this way. And go ahead. And that way you don't worry about trying to figure out where to sit this. You just use this and you're good. Here it's an extra accessory I got. And this is good because I can use it in the car, on the go. So if you don't have your tripod, you can just stick this. This is really, really sticky. You can stick this in the car, on the window, on the mirror, and you're good to go. Let me show you how it works. See? The snap. Let's set this down. This opens up. And you make sure. There you go. You're good to go. So this sticks. So you press this, it comes apart. Press this, comes apart. This sticks. Sticks like this, or like this, or like this. And that's it. So this is an extra accessory that I got that is really helpful. You can use on the go. And that's it. I wanted to include a quick 5 seconds of me recording with the new camera so you can compare how clear the video is. So this last 5-10 seconds I'm recording with the camera. Of course, the previous video is with my phone. So do you notice anything different, or does it look the same to you?